So over here you can see that I have this picture, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and format out this picture. In that case, you can go around, and while you're selecting your picture, you can see the format option right here, just like this, that you can click. So once you click on it, you get the format option. So here you can see that you can change around different things. Like let's say, for example, you can change around the size, the height and width. You can use the scale in percentage as well, and even lock the aspect ratio so that it actually goes ahead and maintains aspect ratio while it is resizing out right there. Apart from that, you can even rotate this out right here and rotate it out to 90 degrees or flip it or even mirror it as you want. Apart from that, there's position. So you can go ahead and center it out right here and change around the position right here just like this as you want as well. You can also go for recolor option and choose an effect that you want to go ahead and apply onto the image right here. Then you got adjustment over here, which allows you to adjust the transparency, that is opacity of the image, and change around the brightness of the image and then contrast of the image as well, and even reset it if you want. You can also go ahead and add in a drop shadow right here just like this, and choose the color of the drop shadow that you want to add in, and change around the opacity and then the angle as well, and even work around with the distance right here and change around the blur radius according to how you want as well. Apart from that, you can see that you can also add in an alternative text in case your image fails to load right here as well. So this is what you have, as you can see right here, and then that is how you can go ahead and add in work around with format options as you need inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.